Welcome back to Painted Kids. This is Jessica, and today we're going to be learning to draw wage. But before we get started, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. You know, with you guys supporting us and following us, it allows us to continue to do what we do, and that's make awesome art videos for you. All right, let's get started. So we're going to be starting with Wage's head here, so we're just going to come up, over, around, and down. And then we're going to do the rest of the body, and the rest of the body is going to be a little bit thinner than the head, so we're just going to come down, around, and then up, almost like the shape of an upside down peanut. Then we're going to be doing Wage's ears, so just 2 half circles on the top. And then we're going to do one arm, and it's like an L that's been turned on its side, and then a curved line right in the center there to show that the arm is kind of tucked behind our character. Now we're going to do 2 lines for the other arm. Then we're going to do a curved line at the very end of the top line here. So it's just going to be curved, and that straight line is going to be centered. And then at the top of that, you're just going to curve around to make the thumb, and then do 3 curves to make the fingers. Then we're going to curve around and up from the bottom to connect it, and that's our hand. Now that's a little intimidating, but it's really, really easy. Now we're going to do our feet. So we're going to do 2 sets of 2 lines for each leg, and then we're going to connect the bottoms with a nice curved line on each of those, just like this. Now we're going to jump up to our apron here, and it's just a straight line across and then a rectangle that connects, just like that. And then we're going to do a straight line on either side of that rectangle to show the apron straps. And now we're going to go up and do our eyes. Now we're going to do 2 circles, and they're not going to be super small, but they're not going to be super big either. Some of our characters have a little bit smaller eyes. So this one is just kind of a medium circle on either side, and they're going to be placed a little bit under our ears. And then underneath each of those circles, you're going to do a triangle, but you're not going to close the bottoms just yet. So we're going to close the bottoms with one big long line, that's a smile, because Wage is happy. And we're going to connect those corners to our triangles just like this. And then we're going to do a long line right in the center, and we have a happy toothy grin. So all that's left to do is our pupils. So you're just going to do a small circle right in the very center of our big circles there. So 1, and then 2. Now the colors we're going to be using for Wage are really simple. They're just going to be orange and blue for the apron, and then black for the inside of the mouth. And that's it. That's our ugly doll. So if you guys like this video, then go ahead and hit that like button. If you want to see more fun videos like that, then go ahead and hit the subscribe button. And if you want to show off any of your ugly doll creations, then go to any of our social media platforms, and their links will be in the description below, where you can display your wonderful ugly dolls. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.